Hi, I'm Jeff McKay, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, and today I have a proclamation for National Disability Employment Month. Whereas October is recognized nationally as Disability Employment Awareness Month, and whereas this year's theme is Advancing Access and Equity, celebrating the passage of the Rehabilitation Act a half-century ago, the first federal legislation to address access and equity for people with disabilities, and whereas over 11% of working individuals in Virginia identify themselves as having a disability, and whereas in Virginia, 23.9% of adult residents with a disability have income below the poverty level, including here in Fairfax County. And whereas a workplace that is inclusive of people with disabilities is an enriching environment that spurs creativity, ingenuity, and productivity for everyone, now therefore be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim October 2023 as Disability Employment Awareness Month in Fairfax County, recognizing the contributions of workers with disabilities and reaffirming its commitment to promoting employment of people with disabilities, including a goal of making Fairfax County government a model employer of people with disabilities. Signed by myself, Jeffrey C. McKay, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of the entire Board of Supervisors.